Hi students, we have an activity which is select, move, open, delete and restore an icon. So what are icons? On the desktop you can see graphical pictures. These are known as icons. So here you can see different icons. Okay, these are very important icons. This PC, network, recycle bin, control panel, Google Chrome or any apps whichever installed in your computer, those are important icons and those you should not delete. Okay, so whatever unnecessary files and folders are there, those you can delete. Now for example, if you see Tux Paint icon, I want to move this. So first you have to select. So how to select? You have to press left button of the mouse once. Okay, you have to press the left mouse button once, then it is known as click. So when you give click, it will be selected. You can see light blue color, the icon is selected. Okay, now after selecting an icon, you can move this by using drag and drop. Now from this icon I have moved from one place to another place, and now I want to open this icon. Then you have to give double click. So double click means you have to press left mouse button 2 times, then it will be open. Okay, and now you want to delete, but this Tux Paint icon is very important because it is used for drawing. So I don't want to delete this. So what I will do, I'll delete another folder which is not used for me. So I'll delete, you can see one folder, yes, this certificates folder. This I don't want, so I want to delete this. So I will give right click and go to delete option. Okay, so it will be deleted. After deleting, you thought that folder is very important, I want again. So what you have to do, you have to go to recycle bin and you have to search for that folder. These files and folders are arranged in alphabetical order. So our folder name is certificate, so it is C. So you have to search now A. After A you can see B and then you can see C. You can see here certificates folder. So this certificates folder I want again on the desktop. So if you give double click, it will not be opened. See, you will get properties. So what you have to do, you want to see what is there in the certificates folder, then give right click and go to restore option. So when you give restore option, when you click on restore option, that folder again came on that place. Okay, now you can double click and see what is there in that. Okay children, so this is how to open, move, delete and select an icon. Thank you children.